Hello students, how are you? Welcome to our YouTube channel. Class 4 Geometrical Figures Circle. Look at these pictures and tell me their names. First picture is a bangle. Second is a bicycle wheel. And third one is a cart wheel. All above objects are circular. Students, today we are going to learn circle, center, radius, diameter and chord. Student, do with me this activity. Take a small circular object like bangle, place it upside down on a piece of paper and trace its outline. Remove the object. The figure you get on the piece of paper is a circle. Draw 2 or 3 circles like this one and cut out the circular paper shapes. I have cut 3 circular shapes of paper. Take one of these shapes and fold it as shown in the picture. Trace the line of the fold with a pencil or sketch pen. This line is called a chord of the circle. Now fold another circular shape to divide it into 2 equal parts. Trace the line of the fold with a pencil. This line is called a diameter of the circle. The diameter too is a chord of the circle. Now fold the shape again so that we get a quarter part of the shape. Unfold the paper shape. Now you see the circular shape again. The point at which these lines meet each other is the center of the circle. Trace the lines of the folds. Name the center of the circle M. Take any point P on the circle. Draw the line MP with your ruler. MP is the radius of the circle. Take a piece of paper. Choose any point near the middle of the paper. Take a suitable distance between the steel tip of the compass and the tip of the pencil. Place the steel tip on the chosen point. Hold it in place and turn the pencil tip around it to trace a circle. Mark with a pencil the point at which you held the steel tip. Now cut out this circle. Cut out with the help of scissors. Fold it twice as before to obtain two diameters of the circle. Observe that these two diameters meet at the center point. It means that the red point is the center of the circle. Look at each circle. Is the line shown by the arrow a chord, a diameter, or a radius of the circle? Write it in the box below. Draw all the shapes in your notebook. I hope you are all understood. Circle, center, radius, diameter, and chord. Thanks for watching this video.